maybe this is a bit of a hot take, but I think sometimes, especially when it comes to AI adoption, and the challenges there, as change folks, we might over-index on that metric, certainly in the context of our sub-metrics from Prosci. So speed of adoption, ultimate utilization, proficiency of the tools or the change. Speed of adoption is an interesting one here. I can go to the next tab on my browser and put in a prompt, and I guess that's me adopting the tool. And yet the way I might prompt it, the way you might prompt it, Darren, you as well, Tim, our utilization and proficiency could be wildly different. So just the metrics and understanding we'd get if we over-index on speed of adoption, I don't think would really help us understand what's going on and tell us the full story here. So we have to really think about that full spectrum, the full set of sub-metrics. Our change performance framework from Prosci, it's one of our, you can go to the model mastery programs to learn about that. It's a great model and framework to really help you lay all those out and tie them to the organizational benefits you're looking for. But I think it's important for change leaders to get access to that data. Really make sure that we're not just looking at login or first prompt, but we're really looking at ultimate utilization and proficiency. The way to measure utilization is through retention, looking at the fact that it's not just the first login. Are they continuing to log in? We actually just in the last couple months, I think, I don't know the exact date, but for Kaya, our AI assistant, we shipped a new feature which provides admin reporting. So admins can see, it's not just about how many people they have assigned the tool, but how frequently they're using it, right? What are some of the key themes they're using it for? Who are their power users that can go and say, it's interesting, why are 80% of the engagement happening from 20% of the people, right? How do they share their stories with other individuals on the team to make sure they're sharing those out? So I think we need to make sure that the data is exposed. We use that data to inform our change actions, not the other way around.